Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. I tried to plug in my external hard drive on my Linux computer. Didn't want to show. I have the Toshiba 1TB HDD over here, and when I try to mount it, this is what I get. Could not mount this device. And when I try to use the file manager to mount it, I'm getting this error. An error occurred while accessing basic data partition. So in this video I'm going to show you how I was able to fix this issue. You have to search for an app called Disk. Even if you don't have it, you can go to the App Store and install it. So most distro come with this app already, but in this distro, which is called Kubuntu, I don't have it. I have to download and install it manually. So as you can see right here, I have my 1TB hard disk, which is not showing. And if you want to fix this issue, this is what you have to do. Click on this icon right here to open the additional partition options. When you click on it, you click on edit mount options. So you have to uncheck this user session default. Uncheck this and click on OK. It's going to ask for your password. I'm going to input my password right now. After that, we are going to mount it again to see if it will work. And now our hard disks have been mounted and it's working perfectly fine. So that's how you fix this issue. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.